today we've got an unboxing of some new parts from my car. So as you can see, we've received a nice box. This one's from K-Tec Racing. I'll put the description link down below. So let's have a look what we've got in here. I'll try and position the camera so you can all see. Right, okay, so let's try and open this up. I'm trying to do the best I can holding the camera and opening at the same time. Okay, so I've moved the camera a little bit for a tripod because it was a bit too hard. So let's have a look what we've got here. So as you've seen in the previous video, I've ordered some Bilstein Coilovers for my Clio 3 RS. Now this is a little bit of a treat to go on the top basically. Let's have a look. It's well packaged. Quite excited to be fair. Right, okay. Wow, okay, so we've got some surprises in here. So, let's have a look. This is not what I've ordered, by the way, but quick look. We have, wow, got two K-Tec decals, K-Tec keyring. See that? Oh, there we are. And that's a little hint to what we've got in here. So DNA racing components. So let's see what we have in the rest of the box. I have no idea how these are going to come, whether they're fully assembled or what. It looks like they are. Okay. So this is the first one. Again, packaged in some bubble wrap. See if we can get in there. So it's nice for K-Tec to send us some decals and a keyring there with the parts that we've got here. Great service, by the way. Ordered it, next day delivery was included. Got a really nice text, so I knew exactly what was happening. And here we are. Wow. Okay, so can you see that? So this is what we have. These are DNA Racing fully adjustable top mounts for my car. So these are going to go on the top of the Bilstein Coilovers. We just take this, loosen that off. There we go, and as you can see, they'll have some camber adjustment here, and they'll go on the top of these Bilstein shocks. So let's have a look at the other one. Overall impressions, really nicely made. This is a billet aluminium plate, nice engraving, logo on there, anodized top, little markers for the amount of adjustment. Sort the other one out. Make sure everything's there. Wow, okay. And what I'll do, as I said before, I'll put a link in the description to these for you, just because I got a really good price from K-Tec. And as I said, really quick service. There we go, so both sides there, anodized, again with adjustment. So really nice, well made, solid pieces there. That side in there. So yeah, really impressed. This one has a red piece on it, the other one doesn't, but I'll find out if that's how it's meant to be. We'll look forward to getting these fitted. So enjoy the video. See you again soon.